Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your GSTN is active and matches your PAN. This prevents rejection during verification. Once done, download a clear PDF of your GST certificate and note the exact registered business name and address. Amazon matches text fields. Make sure your bank account name also aligns. Discrepancies cause delays. Next, open Seller Central and choose the tax information section so you can enter details immediately. This step moves you from preparation to action without losing momentum. You navigate directly to account info and select tax information to add GST details. This is where accuracy matters. Enter the GSTN exactly as on the certificate and pick the correct registration type, registered regular or composition, because Amazon applies tax rules accordingly. Upload the certificate PDF and any bank proof requested, then use the auto match tool to check name and address. If a small mismatch appears, correct it now rather than later, because once accepted, changes require support tickets and slow your listing launch. You submit the GST details and expect verification within 24 to 48 hours. Amazon cross-checks records against government data. Once verified, tax calculations apply automatically to your listings, so relist or update products if needed. If Amazon rejects the submission, read the rejection reason, compare it to the official GST portal, correct the specific field, and re-upload immediately. If verification stalls beyond 72 hours, contact seller support with screenshots of your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.